Do you want to improve your factory's production efficiency? ASEAN Machine brings you the highest quality machinery and services. ASEAN Machine's gantry machining centers feature a high rigidity structure, enabling efficient processing of large workpieces. With a wide processing range and high precision, it can easily handle both complex parts and mass production. The multifunctional design supports operations such as drilling, milling, and cutting, catering to diverse manufacturing needs. ASEAN Machine not only provides efficient equipment, but also offers free home delivery service. Our professional team handles installation and commissioning, ensuring flawless operation. On-site real-time testing guarantees that your equipment is in optimal condition before it enters production. Visit ASEANMachine.com now to learn more.